Hey guys, welcome to another episode on my channel. So today we are going to talk about Tor Browser, what it is and how it works. You are going to use Tor Browser basically for keeping your identity hidden. And how it actually works. You are using your own computer, but to the endpoint, some other IP address is going to be seen. That is the simplest of all explanations. So in that way, you can keep your identity and still use the internet. You can access both regular sites and sites on Onion Network. And Onion Network or Tor Network, it's actually another name for dark web. There are also dark web sites. Dark web sites cannot be accessed in any other way but by using of Tor Browser. Plus, you can use Tor Browser to access any other regular website. So how it actually works? When you start Tor Browser, you are going to be connected to Tor Network. And there, through that network, you are going to navigate to website that you want to visit. If you want to visit some regular website, that means that you are going to have endpoint in Tor Network in order to access some website on a side of regular internet. But if you want to visit some Onion website, that means that most of your traffic is going to be on dark web. And before I continue, you have to hear disclaimer. Although I really support this project, I must warn you that dark web is full of illegal activities. So in here, I'm not advising you anything, I'm not promoting anything, I'm just teaching you how to use Tor Browser. Therefore, this is for educational purposes only. And if you want to educate yourself a little bit more about Tor Browser and Onion Network, in here you have Tor Project. There are a ton of different documentations in here, so you are going to love it. And if you want to install this application, that is actually more than simple. You are going to install it like any other application for your own platform. So whether you are using Windows, Mac or Linux, doesn't matter. You are probably going to have Tor Browser. So I'm going to open my software application and I'm going to search for Tor. You see, Tor Browser Launcher, I already have this installed, so I'm just going to run it. You see, first thing that we are doing, we are going to connect to Tor Network. You could navigate to any website that you are using regularly, so something like, let's say, yahoo.com, or for that matter, facebook.com. You see, those are regular sites and you can use them like with any other browser. But I have to warn you, some of websites have protection against Tor Browser. So not all of functionality are going to be available to you. Plus on some websites your activity are going to be blocked. And why is that? Well, I have explained it to you. There are too many criminal activities going through dark web. And of course, these companies are trying to protect themselves. Aside from regular websites, we have also search engines. As you can see, DuckDuckGo is one of the most popular, and we can search for anything like picture of cats, or let's say on dark web. And if you are searching for some register with links for dark web, let me show you where to find those. First place it's Torch search engine Onion link. Let me find it. Yeah, and you have noticed that Onion links are not like regular ones. Instead of having something like Torch engine, we have this bunch of characters with Onion at the end. And in here we can search for whatever we like. Picture of cats. Another one that you might want to see, it's Mia, however you pronounce this. Yeah, it's in here. Okay, we got to Hidden Wiki. This is also very interesting website on dark web. And here is HMIA search engine. What else I can show you now? Alright, I'm going to close this and I'm going to search for onion links. It's here. And in here you have tab onion links 2025. And bunch of different links arranged in categories. Let's get back. I still prefer this DuckDuckGo. And one more interesting site now, it's hidden wiki onion link. So whenever you are on dark web, it's actually smart to use onion links, because if you are using regular sites, there is greater possibility that your anonymity is going to be compromised. Yeah, we have hidden wiki in here, but this is a regular site. Doesn't matter, we have a lot of different links in here. So if you are willing, you can explore. Now I want to show you something else. What is my IP location? For example, now I am in Serbia on the Balkans, but what it says, according to my IP address, I am in Stockholm, and I am definitely not in Stockholm. Absolutely. You can also restart this web browser in order to get another IP. So now I'm going to ask for a new identity. And now I'm going to ask also for what is my IP location. Let's check this now. Now I'm in Paris. And now, is there anything else interesting that I can show you now? There are some websites with their own version on dark web. Let me show you that. Facebook, it's one of them. Facebook Tor site. And of course, here is the link. And now, you probably noticed that Tor browser is much slower than Firefox or Chrome. That is because your anonymity has a price. In Tor network traffic, it's rerouted multiple times. And every time when it's rerouted, it takes some time. Plus, bandwidth is naturally limited. So don't expect to have some fast communication when you are using it. And what if you want to use email service while you are on dark web? Is that possible? Yes, it is. For that, there are two services. One is Proton Mail and another is Onion Mail, and those two are the most popular. Actually, you can find many more. You can try with any of these mail services. In some of upcoming episodes, we are probably going to dive a little bit deeper into this subject. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you learned something new and interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya!